Yo, what's up my dogs? I hope you guys are doing good. Today we're cooking up with the MPC. I'm gonna try to make like an Afrobeat kind of like Kompa style beat. So that's from like the Caribbean, like some like Kompa, you know what's up, man. So yeah, that's the vibe I'm going with today. I'm sorry I'm not gonna be showing my screen too much, but the vibe's gonna be crazy. Let's just fucking go, fam. The vibe is unreal, bro. I really like it. That shit crazy. Freak, man. Hey. She be calling them, she want to move it, man. She want me to dance, she want to fuck with me. Okay, now I need to bring like some hi-hat in this motherfucker. The most important part, my kick. It has to be like Kompa. Okay, we got the guitar, we got the kick, we got this, all those stuff. I'm gonna try to put some lead in it and stuff. Shit gonna be crazy, man. Like, bro, whenever you're making beats, you have to feel your beat. As long as you vibe with your beat, go sleep, man. Your beat is crazy. Someone else will vibe with it one day and we buy your beat. You don't have to be like waiting on everybody like validating you in order to be happy whenever you make beat. You happy? Go sleep. You Gucci.
It's GeniusVybz.
I kind of feel like whenever the break comes in, I kind of feel like I have to put like boom, 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 boom. But like it's going to be too much. I don't know. Like I'm just gonna leave it like that, and we will see. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, put some comment, and see you on the next one. Peace out, home size.